Michigan. Rips a family apart. It's really bad here.
My name is Amy Allen. Something is not right. I see dead people. This person is not serial killer. I speak to dead people. He did those chills. And they speak to me. He is darkness. He is evil. There's only one way to know if my findings are real. You should go green. I rely on my partner.
I'm Steve DeShaw, a retired New York City homicide detective. Help me